Welcome to Monster Truck Classics unboxing and review of the Double Down Showdown 2-pack of El Toro Loco and Slinger. On the back of the package we have Max D and Aftershock. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, we're gonna take a look at the first ever Spin Masters version of Gunslinger, Slinger. But, yes, we know that they took away the 3-letter word and had to go with a Slinger instead of Gunslinger for him to be on the Running Monster Jam. We're not going to get all into that here in this video, but this is very cool to have Slinger back in as a diecast. It's been a while since he came out as a diecast vehicle. So here is the side of Slinger. It's a trophy truck body style, but on the other side it's just the same thing. And that's about it. There's nothing, no other decals or decals also on the truck. It's pretty bland. So that's about it. I mean, the red beadlock rims look good with the truck, with the yellow, the white wheels. It looks good. I like it. It looks okay. So let's go ahead and bring in now El Toro Loco. And now it has orange beadlock rims and a black wheel. I have a different El Toro Loco that I got earlier in the year. I don't know how many El Toro Locos came out here in 2019. There was so many different variations. So here is this one. So I'm gonna just pick out some of the differences. First of all will be the side where the flames are. There's no outlining of the flames, just like this one. Hopefully you can see this one has like a red outline of the flames with the yellow being in the middle, and then on this one it's just the yellow flames. So you can see the difference on that. Here in the front also, a little bit less chin hair, but also it's not as splattered like it all over here. It's pretty much here just in the middle. Not too sure which one is correct. Also, the flames coming out of the nostrils is a little bit different variation. On the left hand side the flames are kind of outlined in red. Version on the right hand side, it is not outlined in red, and there's a lot a different kind of flame job. I'm glad that they kept the chassis the same and roll cages. So that does it with the Double Down Showdown 2-pack of El Toro Loco and Slinger. So thank you for tuning in.